Hello and welcome back to another video. This is the full guide to growing a beard as a teenager. Let's get right into it. So first we got to look at genetics. So genetics will play a big part on how much facial hair you can grow. So one thing you can do to know if you have good facial hair genetics, one good indicator is to look at the males in your family. So your father, your uncles, if you have an older brother, and see if they can actually grow a full beard. If they can all grow good beards, chances are you will have a good beard too. Not everybody will have the same genetics. Some people, it'll take more time. Some people, it'll be easier to get a beard. But these are the steps that no matter where you're at, you can make the most out of your genetics and maximize your beard gains. So if you want an idea of what my genetics are like, you can see that this is what my beard looked like at 16, almost turning 17. And now it is 2 years later. I am 18, almost turning 19. And you can see I did have a bit of facial hair, but it was quite patchy. So I've come a long way. So the most important is your health. This is what you want to start with. Before you even look at any supplements or stuff to put on your beard, you want to make sure you're in good health. If you're not doing these basic things, doing your best at this, then you're missing the basics. This is 80% of my beard gains across these across these 2 years. Diet, I recommend a keto diet. Sleep, get some good sleep. Training, this is just like your overall health. Basic self-improvement. Semen retention is important, I think, as well. Maybe not as important as maximizing your training, sleep, and diet, but semen retention will increase your testosterone, increase your beard gains. It is not to be overlooked. I think it deserves its place in these 4 pillars. Next, like I said, it takes different time for everybody. You want to be patient. And sometimes you just got to commit to the growth. If I showed you what my beard looks like 1 week after shaving, it doesn't really look like I can grow a beard. Like, you can see some hair, but you wouldn't imagine that I could grow like a good beard. So sometimes you just got to let it grow, even if it's for 2 months, a couple months. Commit to the journey. And for most of you guys, you'd be surprised at how much facial hair you can actually grow. And just in general, if you're under 20 and you don't have a beard, it's okay. Like I said, the genetics is different. Like, some people have a full beard when they're teen, but just because your beard didn't come in early doesn't mean it's not going to come in after. So on average, your beard gets thicker until you reach 30. So you got time. You definitely got time. Now, how do you actually maximize your beard gains? So first, oil. There's different kind of oils you can use. I like argan oil. There's also castor oil. There's an oil called like jojoba oil. You can look into which oils are good for beard growth. Argan oil is one of them. It's the one I use. So after a shower, you just put a couple drops in your hands and you put some in your beard and you just massage it over. And also after I use a derma roller, which I'll explain. Then biotin supplement, as you can see, supports healthy skin and hair and is good for the hair growth of the beard and just your hair in general if you want it to grow quicker. This is the one I use. All this stuff in here I'll put in the description, the Amazon links. Derma roller, I have it right here. So it comes in a little case. This basically is like a thing you roll on your face. It has little needles and it stimulates beard growth. I use this twice a week. And I actually just started using this though. Next is a bonus, is a beard brush. Now, I don't think this has anything to do with growth, but this is just nice to have. Like, I really recommend this. Like, I love this. It's just like, it just enhances the beard experience to have a bristle brush. I'll link that as well. Now, I've never used minoxidil, but if you're over the age of 20, you've tried Dermaroller, you've tried biotin, you've done all of this, and still you can't grow much of a beard, then you can go for minoxidil. Now, minoxidil, from what I've heard, is pretty safe to use. For some people, they get like heart palpitations, but for some other people, they have zero side effects and it's completely fine. So if you fall into that category of you've tried everything, you're a bit older, and you want to go for minoxidil, it's pretty safe. I've never tried it personally, but it's worth a try if you're at that stage. Now, I recommend shaving consistently. Like, if you have just a bit of hair, and like I said, grow for a couple months, but if it really looks horrible and you can't really grow much of a beard, shaving every day is also going to help. Now, or not necessarily every day, but often, every couple days. And you can still Dermaroll and do all these things here, put oil, even if you're shaving every day. And this will help you grow a darker, thicker beard over time. Now, if you can grow a bit of beard and you want to keep it, you can trim consistently. This will work similarly to get it thicker and darker. Now, I recommend having a beard goal. So this will keep you motivated to do all these little things, Dermaroll, take care of your beard, and get gains over time. So this image on the right, actually, I had as my wallpaper at one point. So, it just keeps you motivated, and it doesn't take much effort. You just go on Pinterest, you find a beard style you like, and you have that goal in mind. So you're more likely to achieve it over time. Now, I think I've gone over everything. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the description. Like and subscribe. And I'll leave all the links in the description. So I'll see you in the next one. Peace.